Sunk again. Starting to think you're cheating. Right, where to go? A story I often think about when I play this game is the tale of the Samtampa. Do you know that one? One of the worst maritime disasters in living memory. In 1947, the cargo ship Samtampa started out on a voyage from Middlesborough to Newport. But when she entered the Bristol Channel, a strong westerly gale came up. And shortly afterwards, she developed engine problems, so the captain, Neale Sherwell, decided to drop anchor just off Lynmouth to carry out repairs on the engine. The weather was deteriorating by the minute. First the starboard anchor was dragged, and then the port cable snapped. The now hurricane-force winds took the old Liberty ship eastwards, and within minutes she was on the rocky ledges just off Scare Point, about 2 miles from here. In less than 5 minutes of the Samtampa hitting the rocks, she started to break up. In under 2 hours, she was a total wreck, the 10-meter waves having broken her into 3 large pieces. When I think of this story, what hits me most is the generosity of spirit of the local community. 8 brave men from Mumble set out on the Edward, Prince of Wales lifeboat to attempt a rescue mission, all too aware of the dangers they faced. They knew there was a strong chance they wouldn't return. Against the terrible weather, they fought to get out to the stricken Samtampa. The Porthcawl Coast Guards tried to do all they could, but because of the atrocious winds, the safety lines they were firing from the land were actually ending up behind them. And after hours of fighting it, they realized nothing could be done. 65 years on, and I still see that same community spirit in and around this pub. Several have plans to recover 47 of the links from the anchor chain of the Samtampa, one to mark each of the brave souls lost that night, 39 from the Samtampa and 8 from the lifeboat. I really can't overemphasize how important community spirit is. People should always work as a team.
I agree with, but I'm not going to help you cheat.
I don't know what you're talking about. All right. B7. Fine, you'll go.